Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite cat prep channel Quantifiers. So in our DINR mornings and our first day of DI quiz, we have a very good set on games and tournament. We saw a very similar set in CAT 2019, and if you have attempted that paper, you would have attempted the set very easily because you know how to allocate these values as we move through the set. Okay, so let's just see what the set is all about. Okay, before we move forward, this is the overview of the courses that we provide. Our new course is going to start super soon. So if any of you is interested, you can join with the link given in the description. Now, let's see what the set is all about. The set says there are 9 participants who participated in an inter-school quiz. A total of 5 rounds were held in the tournament. In any round, the winner got 5 points, first runner-up got 3 points, and the second runner-up got 1 point. So the points are 5, 3 and 1 in this order, right? Now, further it is given to us, in any round the number of participants was 5 such that the first participant to enter the tournament plays only the first round, the second participant plays the first 2 rounds, the third participant plays the first 3 rounds, and the fifth participant plays all the rounds. So what do we mean by this essentially? That see, there are 9 people, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. There are 5 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in the first round, this first player, second player, third player, fourth player and fifth player will play. 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th will not play in the first round. In my second round, again the 5 players will play, but first player will not play. So first will not play, then who are the 5 players? Second, third, fourth, fifth and 6th. 7th, 8th, 9th will again not play. In the third round, first and second will not play. Okay, these two. In the fourth round, these 3 will not play. And in the fifth round, these 4 players will not play. So in a sense, if I can see, fifth player is playing all the rounds here. So this is a kind of table that I need to make in which I can simply fill the points according to my needs or whatever it is given. So let's just see forward, right? Then the first participant to enter the this was Akshay. So Akshay was the first one, followed by Amit and so on in the order of Bharshara. So Akshay, Amit, Anil and so on, these people entered the tournament in this very same order. Ajosh was the only participant to have scored in consecutive rounds. So Ajosh is the only player to have scored in consecutive rounds, which is a very good information. There were no ties of the position in the 5 rounds. So there were no ties, which means there is no 2 players given 3 in the same game or same round. The graph below shows the total point value of the 5 students. Yeah, 5 rounds and 9 students. Ajinkya was not able to score anything, which is quite visible. So let's just try to solve the set. So as I told you, I have made a table. In this table, the yellow represents the player is not participating. Okay, this is what is yellow part. So first of all, let me just think of the points. Akshay has scored 5, then again 5, then 8 by Anil. Anand has 2 points. Abhilasha has 5 points. Amar has 6 points. Ajay has 4 points. Ajosh has 10 points and Ajinkya has 0 points. So the points given are 5, 3 and 1, okay, in this order. Now in these type of sets, the basic phenomenon or the basic concept should be to approach the cells in which we can fill the minimum number of values. हम सिर्फ वही cells fill करेंगे जिसमें minimum values होंगी. Minimum values माने, see, if Akshay has only 1 round to play, Akshay has only 1 round to play and he has scored 5 points. So he has to score in first round only. Similarly, Amit has only 2 rounds to play and he has also scored 5. Since he cannot score 5 in the first round, so 5 is here. Right? Now let us similarly fill these cells if possible. The minimum cells. Ajinkya has scored 0, so this is 0. Ajosh has scored 10, so this is 5 and this is 5. Obviously, and Ajosh is the only player to have scored in consecutive rounds. So my top position for 5 rounds is sorted already. And I have just started solving my set. So it is a very good starting point for me, right? Let's think about Anil. Anil has 8 points. How can 8 be made in 3 rounds? 503 is the only possibility, right? Or 305, because 2 consecutive is possible nahi. And 5 cannot come here. So if 5 cannot come here, it is 3, it is 0 and it is 5. Anand has scored 2 points, so he has scored 1 and 1. So where he can score 1 and 1, he can score 1 and 1 here, or he can score 1 and 1 here in any two places, right? Okay. Abhilasha has scored 5. So Abhilasha, see, all the 5s are sorted. All the 5s are sorted. Since Abhilasha cannot score a 5, so Abhilasha must have scored a 5 by a 3, 1 and 1. And since she is scoring in 3, 1 and 1, and she cannot score in 2 consecutive rounds, 3 cannot be here, which means it is 1, 3, 1 और 1, 3. ठीक है ना, इसी तरीके से बनाओगे आप 5 पॉइंट्स. सिंपल सी बात है, 2 कंसेक्टिव में तो दे नहीं सकते. तो अगर आपके पास 5 राउंड्स हैं, आपको 3 जगह पॉइंट्स देनी है, तो इट हैज टू बी द फर्स्ट वन, द थर्ड वन, द फिफ्थ वन. एंड फर्स्ट में तो 3 आ नहीं सकता, बिकॉज 3 इज ऑलरेडी ऑक्युपाइड बाय अनिल. इट इज 1, 3, 1 and 1, 3. This is also sorted. Now with this I can also sort for Anand. Anand has 2 1s. This one cannot be here, so 1 1 is definitely here, and then other one is here. So first, then this must be 0. Okay. Okay, fine. And then if this is 5, this is 0, this is 1, this has to be 0, then this has to be obviously 3, right? Similarly, 5 है, 3 1 है, so this has to be 0, right? 5 है, 1 3 है, so okay, let's see. Amar has scored 6 points. Amar has scored 6 points, which means that okay, this is 0. Amar has scored, this means 3 can be here or 3 can be here. Okay, options A. So let's find out. Ajay has scored 4 points. If Ajay has scored 4 points, Ajay has scored a 3 and a 1. Okay. So Ajay has only 2 possible places. So it is either a 1 3 or a 3 1. So if I am talking about Ajay, there are only 2 possible places, which means for Amar also, the 3 has to be here only, which was not fixed earlier. It has to be here only because 3 1 and 1 3 are interchangeably coming here. If 3 is here, 1 is here. If 1 is here, 3 is here. Which means for Amar also, there is only 1 place. So this is 3. So this is 3. This is 0. This is 0. This is 0. So in this way, I can very easily fill my whole table. And it has also saved a lot of arrangements and permutation combinations for me. So this is the beauty of organizing the data. अगर हमें ये पता है कि हमें data organize कैसे करना है, तो हमारे लिए चीजें आसान होती हैं, ठीक है? So this is the only basic thing. Now let us see what is the question. Who was the first runner-up in third round? In the third round, first runner-up can either be Abhilasha or Ajay. So answer is cannot be determined, right? For the second question, what is the ratio of points scored by Abhilasha and Ajay in round 5? In round 5, Abhilasha and Ajay. So it is 1 by 3 or 3 by 1. It can be anything, right? So 1 by 3, 3. So it is cannot be determined. Amar must have been the first runner-up in which of the following rounds? Amar, first runner-up in second round and fourth round. So it is both round 2 and 4. Winners in round 3, 4, 5 are in some order. Some order means randomly. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4 and 5. Winners are Anil, Ajosh and Ajosh. So Ajosh and Anil, the second option. Anil and Ajosh, the second option. Okay. So this completes my set. A very good set on games and tournaments. If you guys liked it, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.